While most people's focus is on COVID, it's important to pay attention to our health issues, including your mental health. Many providers are doing everything they can to make seeing a doctor as easy as possible. As Sean Stryker explains, that includes online visits.
Telehealth visits have become increasingly popular during the pandemic, allowing people to see their health providers, including mental health professionals, all from the comfort of their home.
Dr. Pinar Miski, the director of psychiatric services at St. Agnes Hospital, says even under normal circumstances, it can be difficult to see a mental health provider.
Just because there aren't a lot of mental health providers, period.
Pair that with the ongoing pandemic and the challenge only grows.
It's been difficult because offices have had to shut down due to a lack of PPE in the past year, and just, also patient reluctance, I think, to go into physical offices due to concerns of contracting COVID.
It's for these reasons that Dr. Miski says they've added mental health providers to Ascension online care.
There will be things that you just don't feel comfortable discussing with the family. Maybe you feel like your family's burdened enough and you don't want them feeling like they need to be your therapist. And so that's a very legitimate reason to reach out to the therapists.
For those with underlying psychiatric issues, you can schedule a virtual appointment with a psychiatrist.
Those individuals who may even be feeling like they can't sleep, they don't have an appetite, they have physical symptoms, perhaps they might potentially benefit from medication management to manage these symptoms. They can see actual psychiatrists virtually who could then prescribe them medications as well.
Whatever issues you may be facing, Dr. Miski recommends taking care of them before it gets to a crisis point.
If you suspect that you're kind of going downhill for whatever reason, definitely reach out, seek help. Nobody should feel like they're alone, even though we might be socially isolated. You're still connected to others, whether you realize it or not. And please, get the help that you need.
Now, these telehealth visits will be available 7 days a week, and they say most insurances will cover the visits. Sean Stryker for WJZ.